Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Ed, and these are my blades that I buy myself, and I give you my opinion of. What I have for you today is one I've been wanting to get for a very long time now. It's not a new knife, but it is a great knife. It is the off-grid Stinger XL in the drop point version. Now, originally this came out in the spear point version that you can still get. As a matter of fact, you can get a other version. It's got a 3-inch blade, but 3-inch blades are just not my thing. I usually like 3.5, 3.25 if I need to, and 4 inches overall. And this here, this is something that's just been, well, yeah, I've been saving my pennies for, and I finally got, and I am not disappointed whatsoever. The off-grid Stinger XL comes with 154 CM steel, and of course, there that is right there. This has got a Blackwash PVD coating to it, but 154 is pretty awesome for, being stainless steel, but also just really strong stuff. So this one here, has, like most of the off-grid knives, is got ceramic ball bearing action, and it makes it have a really fast deployment, but also a drop shut smooth action. So that's pretty cool. This does come with a nice little deep pocket clip, and I see that they have this clip on a lot of theirs, so you don't have any of the screws that are extending out. It's a very comfortable grip, and it's very deep. And for such a big knife, it actually works, and it makes it very, very comfortable ergonomically. So with that, yeah, this also does come with another pocket clip. So if you want to wear that in the left side, if you're a lefty, so it's got the screws already in there. Those are T6 screws. And I gotta say, this has really nice jimping on it, as off-grid knives generally do, but not just on that flipper tab. And you can see how it just goes all the way around. So you're getting a great traction there and effortless deployment, but also look at all the nice jimping that they put on the back of the spine there. I mean, you're getting full thumb coverage right there from holding that like so. And I gotta say, this Blackout version is pretty sweet. Now, they do have another version that you can get, and it is a Coyote tan version with a gray wash PVD coating on it. But this one here just really did it for me. Now, the Stinger XL is a large, overbuilt knife, as they say, and it is definitely high performing. It's a high-performance EDC that's designed for hunting, survival, camping, tactical, military, self-defense, and law enforcement. And I was pretty excited to get this drop point version because of everything I've seen and read about it. It is a slicing and penetrating monster in its capabilities. I mean, everything has been true from what I've seen about it, from Metal Complex and Knives Knives to all those other biggies. And yeah, this is definitely one that you can count on pretty much to handle anything, for as far as like tactical or even everyday use cutting. It's got a thin but really tough razor sharp edge to it. You can really feel that bite edge to it. And it cuts with very little resistance. And again, 154 is stainless, but it's also great for edge retention. It's got corrosion resistance, and it's very easy to sharpen. And let's see about its sharpening capabilities. There's standard slice of paper. I mean, the thing is just a slicing dream, and that's not even trying. It's just, it will go through. And maybe a little cardboard action there for you. Look at that. I mean, it's a beast of a cutter. I'm loving it. And I thought that with it being such a beast of a knife in its size, I mean, it is It's a big one, but honestly, for its overall size is 9.25 inches. The blade on it is 4 inches, and the weight is 6.8 ounces. But you know what? This feels just, it does not feel like an anchor in your pocket, and it just slips right through, right in there. And let's see for what you can get from this provided microfiber cloth there. I mean, it is not showing in your pocket. And there's their emblem on there for the pocket clip. But it comes out of the pocket just nicely. And I gotta say, the G10 handle on this is just, it's so ergonomic. And we're talking in a great hammer fist or even reverse. It's just so nice. It's so comfortable, even for your thumb to get around for a piercing cut. And this thing can pierce. It's a piercing. It's just really, I can't tote enough about it. I'm so impressed with this and very happy with it. And you can get this off of Off-Grid's offgridknives.com, their site. And they go for $121.99, and that's with free shipping. And that's either flavor of this one or the Coyote one. But I got this one off Amazon, I share with you. And both of those different versions go for $107.99. And I'll tell you what, worth every darn penny. This is just such a phenomenal knife. And man, it just feels so good in hand. And for as big and heavy as it is, I'll say it again, this does not feel like too much to carry for everyday usage. And I've been doing that since I got it, and I am loving every bit of it. So yeah, their knives are really overbuilt, truly dependable, and this one here, there's no doubt in my mind it couldn't handle most tasks that you're going to throw its way without laughing at the job. And I like off-grid knives because they are ultra dependable knives in general. They're sharp, they're hard use, they're well made. They are a family-owned American company. Their OEM is out of Taiwan, so you're not having to mess with China there. You're getting good stuff out of the Taiwan for the blade. And the company supports troops, cops. Their knives are backed by a lifetime warranty. I mean, and really their goal is like trying to make you something that is like on the level of other higher brand knives like ZT or Hinderer or Benchmade or whatever, but they're giving it to you at a much less price. But man, you just can't beat the dependability of this. And there's your lockup on that. You can blow the dust out of there if you have to, if you get any pocket lint. And there are no hot spots on this knife whatsoever. And I'm loving every bit of it. I think you might too. And I'll let you get one last look-see at it here. And I really do like that Blackwash blade on there. And they got their emblem on there as they do with all their knives. Jimping, again, phenomenal. And I really do like this kind of wood grain G10 on there. It's smooth here, but it's not slippery. You just got a great grip to it. You got that finger choil right here that's making sure you're not going to ride up if you have to do any piercing with it. You got plenty of access to the liner lock. And you can have that just fall right on your thumb there. So you make sure it's nice and safe coming down. I always do the old reach around here and do it like so, which also I'm catching right there as a safety. But once it gets past that pivot point, it's dropping shut. It's a great knife, and I love it. So that's it. This is the Off-Grid Stinger XL Drop Point. I'm Ed's Blades. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.